My name's Dan Other, and this is a brief preview of my TEDx presentation on solving for X. What do the letters I, T, and V mean to you? For me, they provide the context I need to solve for X. Our mental models have profound implications. They influence how we interact with each other, what we expect for the future, how to train up students. As a licensed professional engineer, I know what it means to solve for X. It's a phrase I use when I'm working with a mathematical equation. To solve for X means to organize my worldview. To solve for X means to understand the things I can change, which allows me to predict outcomes, in other words, to find solutions. My job as a professor includes training up future engineers. Sometimes when I solve for X, the training I provide may be described with the letter I. I-shaped students drill down deep. They search long and hard in a single discipline to find meaning, to find solutions. Sometimes, when I solve for X, the training I provide may be described with the letter T. T-shaped students balance depth and breadth. They're good at scanning the horizon, and then they drill down when needed. T-shaped students look for meaning and solutions in many places. I bet you already knew about I-shaped and T-shaped professionals. I bet I haven't told you anything new yet. But would you like to hear something new? Today I want to talk with you about what happens when I solve for X using the letter V. The V-shaped student is unique. The V-shaped student bends two or more disciplines to tackle a problem at the interface. You see, artists understand the V shape. Artists select a point in a two-dimensional plane, and they focus all lines to intersect at this vanishing point. The V shape helps an artist to create three-dimensional meaning from a simple two-dimensional plane. And yes, I'm a licensed professional engineer, and yes, I'm a professor, but I'm also an artist. And as an artist, my vanishing point is the future. I'm solving for X by helping train up V-shaped students who have two important characteristics. First, they have deep understanding in two disciplines. And second, they use this deep understanding to solve complex problems. The V-shaped professional I'm helping to train won't be satisfied with the status quo. As part of my TEDx presentation this autumn, I'll explain the V-shaped profession of the humanitarian technologist and the nurse engineer, and I'll use stories from my own work. Thanks for listening. I'll hope you consider inviting me to present.